So Google has already made the Pixel 6 official a few days ago. They revealed how it looks and some of its features, but still there is plenty of info about the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro that we don't know. Google will keep a dedicated launch event on the 30th of September to reveal every last bit of info, but if you don't want to wait that long, then I have some more interesting stuff to talk about the Pixel 6. First up, about its camera. The Android 12 Beta 4 version was released yesterday, and the Google Camera app has a hidden surprise. It reveals what camera sensor Google has opted to use in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. This user has discovered a string titled GN1 wide page 21 in the Google Camera app on the Pixel phone, which suggests the main wide-angle camera of Google's 2021 Pixel flagships will be Samsung's 50MP ISOCELL GN1 image sensor. For some reason, Google has opted to use GN1 sensor instead of the GN2 found on Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, which is the second biggest smartphone camera sensor. But GN1 is still massive at the 1st of January 1931, which is 3 times bigger than Sony's IMX363 image sensor for the last few generations of Pixel phones. What does a bigger sensor in a phone mean for you? Your phone's camera captures light through that sensor, so the larger the size, the more light is captured in a small amount of time. That eventually results in more detailed photos in almost all light conditions without triggering features such as the night mode. If there is anything Pixel phones are known for, it's their camera software. So coupled with a bigger image sensor and the tensor chip, which is going to push machine learning and AI with computation to a whole another level. Don't be surprised if Pixel 6 outperform every other flagship out there in camera performance. Speaking about the tensor chip, Galaxy Club has found out that the tensor chip is actually Samsung's unreleased Exynos 9855. The Exynos 2100 on the Galaxy S21 has a codename, Exynos 9840, so given that the two numbers are similar, it's possible the tensor processor will offer similar performance to the Galaxy S21 when it launches later this year. So Samsung isn't just manufacturing the tensor chip, they are also involved in the development. Not only that, Google will use Samsung's Exynos 5G modem for the Pixel 6, which is interesting because Samsung themselves use Qualcomm's 5G modem in the US market for their flagships for some reason. Anyway, a lot of Pixel 5 users complained that the speaker quality isn't good. It uses an under-display earpiece speaker, which is impressive, but it doesn't get very loud, and if you use a case then the audio gets muffled. But that's not going to be an issue with the Pixel 6 because Google has ditched this under-display speaker in favor of the conventional one, as we can see it put out on top of the phone for the earpiece speaker, which is surely music to superphones' ears. Of course, with that being said, let me know your thoughts down in the comments and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.